Boston Kitchen Reno, the ultimate guide to hiring kitchen remodelers. Have you ever wondered how to start a kitchen renovation or what to consider before diving in? As you embark on this journey, tackling some common concerns head-on is crucial. One of the first things many people worry about is budgeting. It's essential to have a clear financial plan in place to avoid any unexpected costs. Next, choosing a contractor can feel like a daunting task. Look for someone who is reliable, experienced, and comes with good recommendations. Also, consider the time frame for your kitchen renovation. It's rarely a quick process, so prepare for some disruption to your daily routine. That brings us to another critical point: managing disruptions. Whether finding alternative cooking arrangements or dealing with dust, planning can help smooth the process. Remember to do your research and make informed decisions. Spend time understanding your needs and wants, and design a kitchen that suits your lifestyle. Remember, every kitchen renovation project is unique, so your concerns and questions will be specific to your situation. Now, let's delve into some frequently asked questions about kitchen renovations. FAQ number 1. What is the average kitchen renovation cost in Boston? The kitchen renovation cost can vary greatly, but on average, you can expect to spend between $20,000 and $30,000. This can fluctuate depending on the materials used, appliances chosen, and the size of your kitchen. FAQ number 2. How long does a kitchen renovation typically take? As for how long it takes, a typical kitchen renovation can last anywhere from 6 to 12 weeks. This duration can be extended if you make structural changes or unexpected issues arise. FAQ number 3. Do I need a permit for a kitchen renovation in Boston? Regarding permits, it's a common question, and yes, in most cases, you will need a permit for a kitchen renovation, especially if you plan on altering the structure or plumbing of your home. It is essential to check with your local building department to ensure compliance with regulations. FAQ number 4. How can I ensure the quality of workmanship? Choosing the right contractor can be tricky, but a good rule of thumb is to look for licensed professionals with solid references and a portfolio of their previous work. These are just a few of the many questions you might have when planning a kitchen renovation, but they're a good starting point. Before we wrap up, let's summarize the key points discussed. Planning is your first step in any renovation journey. Understanding what you want in your dream kitchen and how it fits into your home's overall design is crucial. Next is budgeting, an essential part of the process that sets the framework for your renovation. It guides your choices and ensures that you don't overspend. Choosing the right contractor is paramount. They're the ones who will bring your vision to life, so ensure they're experienced, reliable, and have a good reputation. Patience and flexibility are also vital during the renovation process. Expect unforeseen challenges and be ready to adapt as needed. Finally, research is your best friend. Ask questions, read reviews, and gather as much information as possible before starting a renovation. This helps you make informed decisions and avoid potential pitfalls. With careful planning and a clear vision, your dream kitchen is within reach. Speaking of making your dream kitchen a reality, we'd love to help you with that. At Boston Kitchen Reno, we specialize in customizing kitchens to perfection, ensuring that detail aligns with your vision. From planning to execution, our team of experienced and reliable contractors guides you every step of the way. We understand the importance of budgeting, flexibility, and research in the renovation process, and we're committed to delivering a result that not only meets but exceeds your expectations. Ready for your kitchen makeover? Contact us now at 857-437-5988 or visit our website, bostonkitchenreno.com, to start your renovation project. Your dream kitchen is just a call or click away. Happy renovating!